To understand T-Mobile's 5G fixes, it's essential to grasp the basics of 5G technology. T-Mobile's network operates on different frequency bands, each with unique characteristics. The low band at 600 MHz provides wide coverage across large areas, but offers slower speeds, making it ideal for rural connectivity. Mid-band at 2.5 GHz strikes a balance between speed and coverage, suitable for most urban environments. High-band or mmWave delivers ultra-fast speeds, but only in limited areas due to its short range. This global view shows how different countries allocate spectrum bands for 5G, highlighting the variety in frequency usage. Disconnections often happen during handovers, when your device switches between these bands or different cell towers as you move. Initially, T-Mobile's network densification without a fully standalone architecture made these handovers unreliable, leading to frequent disconnections. A major fix implemented by T-Mobile was the transition to a fully standalone SA 5G architecture nationwide by early 2025. This reduced reliance on the older LTE network for handovers, significantly minimizing drop-offs. SA 5G allows for a more consistent and stable connection as your device stays on the 5G network without frequently switching back to LTE. Beyond transitioning to standalone 5G, T-Mobile implemented enhanced software optimizations, particularly targeting Band 12, which operates on low-band 600 MHz spectrum. This frequency band provides wide coverage but can face challenges indoors. The optimizations fine-tune the network's software to better handle the 600 MHz signal, addressing issues like signal fluctuations that occur when signals bounce and interfere with each other. These improvements expanded indoor coverage by ensuring stronger signals penetrate walls and buildings, while reducing fluctuations for more reliable connections. The result was significant gains in indoor coverage reliability, as demonstrated by T-Mobile's reported improvements in network stability. T-Mobile rolled out 5G Ultra Capacity in major cities, utilizing advanced antenna technologies and AI-driven network management. This AI dynamically allocates bandwidth to prevent congestion and reduce disconnections. It's like having a smart traffic controller for the 5G network, ensuring smooth and stable connections even during peak usage times. Disconnections have dropped by over 60% in urban areas thanks to this technology. The results speak for themselves. User reports indicate disconnections have dropped significantly, especially in urban areas. The FCC has praised T-Mobile for a reduction in network outage complaints since 2024. Speed test data shows improved download speeds and reduced latency. In 2023, there were many reports of hourly disconnections in major cities. T-Mobile implemented software patches that prioritized emergency services, then hardware upgrades in 2025, resulting in a 75% uptime improvement per Ookla speed tests. While T-Mobile has made significant improvements to their 5G network, you can also take steps to ensure a stable connection. Start by checking your device's network mode settings in the Connections menu. Keep your device's software up to date to receive the latest over-the-air OTA network optimizations that T-Mobile pushes out regularly. Consider your location when troubleshooting. Rural areas with sparse tower density may still experience occasional issues due to fewer cell sites. Restarting your phone regularly can help maintain a stable connection by clearing temporary software glitches and refreshing network processes. T-Mobile continues to invest heavily in AI and machine learning technologies for predictive network maintenance. This advanced approach analyzes user data patterns to identify potential issues before they cause disconnections, allowing proactive fixes that keep networks running smoothly. Integration with Wi-Fi 7 technology will enable seamless roaming between cellular networks and home Wi-Fi systems. This means fewer interruptions when moving between indoor and outdoor environments, creating a more unified connectivity experience. While some challenges like spectrum availability and rural coverage remain, T-Mobile's strong commitment to network reliability suggests continued improvements. Experts predict that with the rollout of 6G precursor technologies by 2028, T-Mobile could achieve near-zero disconnections through ultra-reliable low-latency communications.